morning. We have woken up. It actually got really cold in here thanks to Mr. AC. But we're gonna go shopping this morning. We need day sunglasses, night sunglasses, coffee, and food. So we're gonna go to Naga, which is probably 15-20 minute bike ride. And I'm gonna film it and you can see how scary it is. It's like a constant horror movie. Like if you're not on your toes, you're gonna smoke a truck or a truck's gonna smoke you. This is a little hallway, leads into it. Look at this, it's so pretty. Somebody's working on something outside. I'm not entirely sure what's going on. Oh, it's so bright. Oh. This is mine, all right? What makes this one special is the speedo doesn't work, the horn doesn't work, it barely has brakes, but it has underglow. So I'm a certified gamer out here in the Philippines with that underglow. People respect me, you know. Dude, it is hot. Like my back is actually on fire. Their winter is like our Texas summer with a UV of like 12. So to get this John started, you gotta turn the key, pull the brake, that, and then the kickstand, if you put it down, it'll kill it. Pretty sure we just get on the highway and then
yeah, we'll go left.
And then just go left and then
go to the brick place first.
I'll just follow wherever you go. We've only been here for like a day essentially. We got here yesterday morning. Got here yesterday morning, so, and we went into the city last night for the first time on mopeds, like on our own, and it's a whole experience. I need to buckle my helmet. Yeah, this is a pretty cool little chill area. As you can see, the roads back here are not exactly freshly paved. There's just a bunch of dogs. What up? Yeah, JB calls everybody guapo, which means handsome. So I guess I'm just gonna start saying what's up, guapo, to everybody I see. What are we doing? Come on, come on. There's our 7-Eleven, where we go for most things. This is the highway, baby. It's not as bad as it was last night. No. Dude, last night in the dark, it's so scary. Huh? Yeah. Trying to get out of here. I'm trying, dude. Nice. All right, we made it. On the highway we are. Holy. There's no highway rules here. Like nothing. You can do whatever you want to do. It's kind of good and kind of scary at the same time. Oh. Yeah, this is pretty chill. Yeah. Last night was like everybody was just for themselves, bro. That thing clean. Wish my horn worked. That would be nice. Like that.
It doesn't?
No.
Oh, that's.
I know. Like that's the crucial part of.
That is very.
Yeah, I'm so excited to have sunglasses, dude.
You have no idea.
You wanna race? 3, 2. Whoa, what was that?
He's got the best one.
That's an Evo? Oh my god. Oh my god. You just never know if they're gonna like rip out in front of you, dude. Holy. where it starts to get hectic. And you got like people just driving on the wrong side, like it's so scary, bro. Way easier to drive in the daytime for sure. But look at these things, dude. They look crazy. I don't know where this red place is, but there's the mall. It's got it further, right? Yeah. Woo, my brakes don't work, bro. Yeah. Just damn near smoked Nico, bro. I was gripping that brake too. Thing is, me and Nico really, honestly, have no idea where we're going. This is just based on memory from last night. Yo. I keep getting stuck like between him, and then I'm like, I can't shoot the gap.
So far.
Dude, I know.
I mean, at this point, let's go find it.
Yeah, we're already all the way to here. So McDonald's here, dude, is like a person's wage daily. Like their daily wage is like our McDonald's order. Like $3 a day. Or 300 pesos a day. Which is pretty crazy. Oh, yo, that's the first sport bike I've seen. That's sick. To go through the roundabout.
So how we did it was we came from that.
Yeah, so we have to go around, right? Yeah. Okay. Dude, this is straight up just crazy. I have no idea where I am. Go after this guy. Oh my god, the roundabout! Oh. This is scary because nobody knows what they're doing. You just kind of gotta follow your own rules. Shoot, what are we doing? Ah! When we drove last night, we literally were running on 0 sleep. Like, we were delusional for sure. Like, everything that we were saying was just not making any sense. The Ford Territory. You ever seen the Ford Territory, bro?
No.
Oh, clean.
It is.
Yeah, these sunglasses are gonna be the best thing that I've ever bought in my life. Last night this place was packed.
And the sunglasses are over there?
Yeah, it's that building right there. The motel, yeah. It's in the bottom. So we'll just go out to the right. Or honestly, we could even we can even park it right here and then just walk through.
Okay.
Or yeah, we could just park right here.
Okay.
Bang. We made it all the way to Naga.
It was wild.
All on our own. Wow. Holy moly. So main mission here is sunglasses. And sunglasses. With sunglasses. You need daytime and nighttime because you just get a bunch of stuff in your eyes. when you're driving. So like right now, I feel like I have like the entire city of Naga in my eyeball.
Yeah, last night I felt like it was worse, but
yeah, it's just very uncomfortable. Well, I think there was more cars on the road yesterday, which probably made it worse.
At one point I was like blind while driving, and I could only see headlights.
Yeah, it was just like, ugh. It's not a good deal. I guess this is the place.
Yeah.
So, whoa. Dude, they got phones. JB said that there's like a place where they have every single sunglass you could ever imagine.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Just go and go.
yeah, that's what he said. You got the gloss. So I guess
Yep.
oh, that's what he was talking about. Oh my gosh. Yo. Every sunglass you could imagine. Hey yo, look bro, they got the Oakleys, dude.
Oh,
the fake ones. That's crazy. That's wild. Dude, they have like everything.
Bro.
This wall is insane.
For real. How wild do these look?
They look pretty good. You look sophisticated. You look oh yeah, look at me go. Dude, I look like a gamer now.
He does.
I look like Dylan Miller. What are those, dude?
Some like granny glasses.
Yeah, I think these are pretty sick. Oh, whoa. Dude, these are Ferrari. Yeah, they're Ray-Ban X Ferrari. That's what we're working with here. How much are these? 50 pesos, which is $1 US. So I might just have to cop these.
Oh, now he's sophisticated.
Oh, I am. You like these? These are good?
Yeah,
okay,
those are
sick.
sick.
Alright, we'll do these two.
I'll take these.
Do we pay up front? At the front? Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. These are like for children, I think. Oh no, definitely for grown adults. Bro, I could rock the speed glass. Bro, this looks hilarious. I kind of want to get these as a meme.
Yes.
How much are these? 32 pesos? That's like 50 cents. Plus, I'm gonna definitely lose a pair.
Yeah, probably.
So,
and they're so cheap.
Yeah, might as well get 3. Go exploring a little bit. Little upstairs action. Dude, they got audio equipment. Huh? Oh, dude, it's the Hydro Flask, but Unibest version.
Unibest.
They got weights. The biggest one they got is probably 25 pounds, according to Nico. Oh my god. Dude, you're Superman here. You have all the power, bro. On a rim?
Yeah, right. Gonna make
Just the rim.
Court.
Well, I guess if you have just the rim, then you could make the basketball goal.
Okay, knee sleeves.
Yep. Yeah, they got the Louis and the Gucci phone cases. They're kind of sick if you're into that. Oh my god. They're $6.39, which is like $10.
Oh, look at these ones, the white ones.
Yeah.
I mean, they're the same price probably.
$6.30, yeah. It's like $10. Oh wait, yo, the white ones are still red. Oh yo, it's got the buttons. That's crazy. Oh yeah, daddy's working, bro. Daddy's working.
Might be back for these.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Get the marker, the glasses, the water bottle. Just getting 3 pairs of sunglasses. So 134 is less than $3. So I got basically spent like $1 on each sunglass or less than. So spent $6.88. He's balling today. Balling today.
Quick band.
Yeah, quick little deal. Put it in these little bags. Put your little receipt on there. We gotta get through security. So I'll see you guys back at the bike. We're in a mall now. This is kind of like a mall. I mean, it's pretty sick. This is like normal.
Nice and conditioned.
Yeah, it's cold in here, dude. But we're gonna try and get some coffee, maybe some food.
Yeah, there's a couple coffee shops.
We're gonna see what's up. This coffee shop is sick. Dear Joe. Bro, this is sick, dude. Hello. This is dope, bro.
Could I do a tall cappuccino with almond milk? Thank you.
Can I just get do you have cold brew? Yes. Can I just get black cold brew coffee? Yes.
Oh, you do?
410 for both of us. Oh, look at this. Oh, bang, dude. Gaming. All right, well, we're gonna chill here and drink this coffee. And oh, there's no sugar in it. This is good. This is just black, cold coffee. At Starbucks, you have to ask them for like no classic. I never go to Starbucks, but you have to ask them to not put sugar in it. And there's just no sugar. This is just black, cold coffee, and that's how I like it. So, how's your cappuccino?
Bueno.
Yeah.
As hot as can be.
All right, so we finished our coffee. Now we're gonna go on the world's longest escalator. Dude, they have like a movie theater with like just normal American movies.
Yeah.
They have Dolby Atmos apparently. That's what that says. Dude, this is insane. This is sick. And then they got all the popcorn. Huh, look at like all the wall art, dude. We're about to have lunch. The Chicken Deli. We looked at all the other places and this place seems like it had the best prices and like for the amount of food that you'd get. But it looks pretty sick. Got like all the atmosphere. And then they have the chicken over here. My battery's at 1%, so it might die. I'll switch to my phone. Yeah, they got that chicken going crazy in there. All right, boys, 325 pesos. It's like $5-6 bucks. Get a little spicy chicken. We'll see if it's any good. That's pretty good.
The chicken?
It tastes like buffalo sauce.
Love it.
It's definitely buffalo sauce, but it's spicy. I'm stoked about it.
Good too. It's like sweet and spicy.
Yeah. Sick. Whole experience is pretty good. I'd probably rate this like a 8 out of 10.
For sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's like the first place we've been, but it definitely seems like one of the nicest places that we're probably going to go to. So now we're gonna just go buy like various items at like a crappy 7-Eleven that's right next to the park.
It's not like far from the park at all.
Yeah, it's like 2-minute drive, and we just need like shampoo, soap, trash bags, all that stuff.